You won't believe it, would you? Waking up in the middle of the night, pack your bag and hit the road, go to the airport, not knowing where to go. That's exactly what happened to me today. Woke up in the middle of the night and I said to myself, well, okay, I can't be bothered with this lockdown for another 4 weeks. So what about if I pack my bag and hit the road, go to the airport and then decide where to go from there. So at the moment, it is 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm here at London Stansted Airport. So, time to get in. Come along and join me. See what is the COVID situation. It's been a long time. It's been a long time since last I travelled. So I've got no idea what is the situation like when it comes to travelling at the moment. So come along and join me. So let's have this adventure together and see what the COVID situation is like and what are the measures right in place. Yeah, I've got a feeling it might be like very strange though, so we shall see. Yeah, right, let's go straight to the departure. Right, so at the moment, just waiting for my flight to confirm so I can go to the check-in desk. There you go. So that flight is 8:30, so I've got lots of time. Yeah, it's the first time I'm like been so early at the airport. Normally I'm the last one out running, trying to catch the plane. Today I'm way too early. But what I'm going to do, I've got no clue. I might as well go and get a coffee here. Right, buddies, just have a look at the state of the Stansted Airport here. Probably guys have never seen it or experienced it like this before. It has never been like so deserted, it's so quiet. So it's all the COVID to blame. Normally, like, even at this time of the day when you come into Stansted Airport, it's absolutely jam-packed. Obviously because of the stupid COVID situation, so it is absolutely bizarrely quiet. But then again, the good thing is, yeah, the good news is, everyone's up and running again. Everyone's like flying again. So that's the good news. It was only about 2 weeks ago when no one could fly. So that's a good thing. Right, the things you need to do, the things you need to consider, right, prior to coming to the airport. Right, there you go. Stansted Airport. Before you come to Stansted Airport, those are things you need to do first, right? In the steps and in order, before you can manage to take your flight. You cannot fly, right? You cannot fly nowadays, yeah, before you complete all those steps. So once you complete all those steps, then you can have the privilege of coming to the airport. So that's how it goes, unfortunately, nowadays. Ready to rumble. 3 things you need to show prior to your boarding. So there are 3 documents you need to upload on the airline website. So that is the pre-COVID negative test, and also you need to provide insurance and passenger locator form. So that's 3 documents you need to show. Someone's wrestling, man. There. Something happened to that guy over there. I have no idea what's happening to him.
Oh, we don't need anything, thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you, thank you. Here's my seat. 21A. I've got no clue where's my seat. Got to locate it. Got to find it out. Right, them days of having no mask, it's long gone. So this is the new norm. You got to have this mask on. I gotta say that it was a well dodgy landing. Yeah, it was quite bumpy. Right, so welcome to Poznan Airport, Poland. June the 16th, 2021. Fairly nice and warm weather. Right, okay, so for those are travelling to Poland, the Poznan Airport, so as soon as you're coming out of the station, the airport, there's a bus stop. There you go. So this is the bus stop. If anyone wants to catch a bus and then go to city and connect into different part of the city, so there you go. So that's the entrance to the terminal, and you're coming out and you go straight and get on the buses and you go, there you go, this is the map for the city. But I'm not going to go anywhere because I've got only about 4 hours left. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to probably pop back inside the terminal and try to get something to eat, because my next connecting flight is at 6 o'clock, and now it's only 20 past 12, so I've got quite a bit of time. I can go to different part of the city. At least I can go to the city centre, but then again, so what about if I'm running late? I might risk my flight, my connecting flight, and I might miss my flight. Right, this is the city centre of Poznan. Yeah. On a nice, beautiful, sunny day. But at the moment, it seems absolutely dead. So from airport to Poznan city centre, it's about half an hour, and the bus it comes from there to the city centre, it's about the bus number 159, and the same bus goes back to airport, so it comes quite handy actually. What we're going to do now, I think over there that is probably like a shopping centre, but let's go to the right, see what we can find. Maybe we can find something interesting. Right, okay, so this is the main part of the city. The city centre Poznan, where you can like go to different part of the country. Probably I can take the train, you can take the buses, and that's all happening around here. And that's all you get. Alright, there you go. Bit of the city centre, tracks and rails, and that's it. And that is the Poznan shopping centre. Right, I'll tell you what, might as well just get back inside, have something to eat, and then wait for the next connecting flight. Right, ciao. From Poznan Airport in Poland on the 16th of June 2021, at the time of the stupid COVID, the bastard. See ya. Right, ladies and gents, welcome to Ukraine, Odessa, over there. So today, the plan is to see lots of things and do lots of things well. So I hope you can join me. Good morning from Odessa, the former Soviet Union. And Ukraine today, well, no, Ukraine, let's say that, no offense. Well, I'm here on a transit flight to Azerbaijan, Baku, and my flight is oncoming Sunday, and today's Thursday. And the reason I came here, to see a little bit of Ukraine as well. Obviously it's only like 2 days, but you can't see much in 2 days, but it's still better than nothing, as they say. And also, I saved myself money. Because if I had flown straight from London to Baku, Azerbaijan, it would have cost me about £270. And the reason I'm going to Baku, Azerbaijan, because of a football match. Well, I've heard a lot about Odessa. But you know what they say? Seeing is believing. You'll only believe it once you've seen it. Hence, we are here. Why don't you come along, join me on this rainy, cloudy day? Let's go and see the Chorny Moor, the Black Sea, of beautiful Odessa. And then we'll kind of give our own thoughts about Odessa, even though, as I say, the time is so short because we've got only a day. Oh, come on, let's go. Right, this is the view from my hotel room in Odessa, by the Black Sea, the Chorny Moor. Hi. Right, good morning from a very cloudy and rainy Odessa, right next to the Black Sea, Chorny Moor, apparently it's called. Whoa, nearly. Hi. Hello. Hello. Right, there you go. I can't believe it. It happens like this, yeah? You come to the sea, as always, right? Expectation is so high, and and it starts raining and it's actually checking down. There you go. I can't believe it. Look, this is what's happening. What's happening to me? Like, I've got only 1 day to stay here in Odessa, and it's raining. I'm gonna go swim. The Chorny Moor of Odessa in Ukraine. on a rainy and cloudy day on June the 17th. Alright, it's the hotel I was staying over there. I can imagine it can be a very nice day and quite pleasant as well. If the weather is nice, it's quite sunny as well. Look, it's a golden sand sort of. And you've got the bar. Unfortunately, the bar is absolutely deserted. It is so dead. So obviously it's only 12 o'clock. It's not typical like back in the UK, like people start going out drinking early in the morning, right after the breakfast. So this is the hotel I was staying. It is called apart something Poznan. This is the hotel I was staying. Right, so this is part of Odessa beach, and obviously it's always difficult when you when it comes to booking your hotel. Obviously you look at the pictures on the booking.com website and you get tempted and you say, wow, why am I wearing a mask anyway? So it's no one around, why am I wearing these? Sorry. So yeah, you book in the room, and then what happens? And then there you go. There you go. That's the Chorny Mall, the Black Sea of Odessa. Right at the edge of it, right at the far end of it. I'm a bit that far away from the main part of the Odessa, because obviously this part is more like for families with children. Yeah, I mean it's not the business part of Odessa, sort of a beach resort. That's why it's a bit quiet. I mean, I looked at the pictures, and they were saying the hotel is right in front of the beach, and that's the hotel. Look, this is the hotel. But obviously, it's for you to find out how far you are from the main part of the resort. But as I said, I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. I mean, it's quite nice and relaxing, to be honest. Yeah. There you go. So, goodbye.